Hello everyone, welcome back to Steadfast Skill Assessment Academy. Let's practice IELTS listening test.
Good morning. Welcome to Riverside Community Center. How can I help you today?
Hello, I'm interested in joining some of your social programs. Could you tell me a bit about them?
Of course. We run several programs every week. On Mondays and Wednesdays, there is a friendship club for older adults from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. This is mainly for people who feel isolated or just want to make new friends.
That sounds interesting. Is there any cost?
Yes, the fee is $5 per session, payable at the reception before the class starts.
Great. And do you have programs for younger people too?
Absolutely. On Tuesdays and Thursdays from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m., we run a youth social group aimed to teenagers aged 13 to 17. They can participate in games, discussions, and volunteer activities.
Perfect. And I heard something about cooking classes.
Yes, we also offer cooking workshops for all ages on Saturdays from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. You can learn basic healthy recipes, and the fees for that is $10 per session.
That's very helpful. Can I just turn up or do I need to register?
You need to register in advance. You can do it online or at the reception desk.
Thank you so much. I think I will sign up for the friendship club first.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Riverside Local Museum. Today, I'll give you an overview of what you can see and do here. First, let's start with the opening hours. The museum is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday to Saturday, and closed on Sundays. Entry is free for children under 12, but adults must pay $8. Our museum has four main exhibition areas. History Hall. Here you can explore local history, including photographs, letters, and artifacts from the 19th century. Guided tours are available at 10:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. Art Gallery. This section displays works by local artists. Paintings and sculptures change every 2 months, and there is a small gift shop where you can buy prints. Science Corner, a hands on area for children and teenagers. You can try interactive experiments related to physics and chemistry. Sessions last about 45 minutes, and registration is required at the desk. Garden Room. This is a quiet space for relaxation and reading. You can find books on local plants and gardening tips. It's also suitable for workshops, which are held every Thursday afternoon. The museum also hosts special events such as art competitions and science fairs. For up to date information, check our website or the notice board in the main hall. Finally, refreshments are available in the cafe on the ground floor. Don't forget to visit the museum shop for souvenirs before you leave.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we'll discuss options for your final year project and how to organize your research.
Hi, I'm thinking about doing my project on renewable energy source. Could you give some advice?
Certainly, first, you should narrow down your topic. Renewable energy is broad, so maybe focus on solar power efficiency or wind turbine design. You will also need to check available lab equipment. Some experiments can also be done with certain resources.
I am interested in urban planning. I want to analyze traffic congestion in our city.
That's a good choice. You could collect traffic flow data at peak times, but remember to consider safety and permissions if you are observing public areas. You might also use computer simulations to support your data.
What about environmental impacts of urban development? I want to combine fieldwork and literature research.
Excellent. Make sure you define specific indicators like air quality, green spaces, or noise levels. You can compare your data with historical records to show changes over time. In general, for all projects, prepare a timeline to manage your work efficiency. Keep a log of references for your report, and remember, you can ask academic staff for guidance, but You must do your own work.
How long should the report be?
Typically 4,000 to 5,000 words. Your presentation will summarize your findings in about 10 minutes.
Can we work in pairs?
Yes, but make sure each person has distinct responsibilities. Collaboration is fine as long as individual contributions are clear.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today's lecture is about security systems in modern commercial and residential buildings. Security technology has advanced significantly over the last decade. Modern systems often combine access control, surveillance, and alarm monitoring to protect people and property. Access control typically uses key cards, biometric systems like fingerprint scanners, or mobile apps. These ensure only authorized personnel can enter certain areas. Key cards need regular updates to maintain security. Surveillance cameras are installed both indoors and outdoors. High definition cameras can capture clear images even at night, thanks to infrared technology. Many organizations also use motion sensors to detect unusual movement. Alarm systems are divided into intrusion alarms and fire alarms. Intrusion alarms can trigger notifications to security personnel or local police. Some advanced systems also have panic buttons in strategic locations. In addition, cybersecurity is now an essential part of physical security. Many systems are connected to a central network, making them vulnerable to hacking. Therefore, strong passwords, encryption, and regular software updates are crucial. Finally, training staff to respond to incidents is as important as installing technology. Regular drills and clear emergency procedures help ensure safety during unexpected situations.